आपको सारा पता चला है कि क्वीन सिज़लिना के किचन में टोमेटो ब्लास्ट हुआ है।
अरे कौन बोला कि मैं मर गया हूँ? एसीपी अभी जिंदा है। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया।
ए दया नहीं, मैडी।
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया। ये अच्छे खासे डिजाइनर किचन में टोमेटो ब्लास्ट किसने किया? दया पता लगाओ ये कांड किसने किया।
Yumi and Cooking Episode 1.
Today we are celebrating India's 79th Republic Day. So happy Republic Day to you all. And what are we going to make on such joyous occasion? I'm going to try to make 5 dishes in Tricolor. If this works, I deserve a trophy. Now I'm going to tell you a little secret. Yeah, lean in closer. I'm cooking all of these dishes for the very first time in my life. Exactly. All 80 dishes I made last year were first attempt as well. And somehow they turned delicious. So without any further ado, let's get started with our Republic Day series where I'm going to cook 5 dishes in Tricolor. In case you're new here, my name is Czzlina. Hey, where's Czzlina? So I'm going to add a whopping 1 cup of sesame seeds in this pan. When the sesame seeds gets popping, it's definitely time for stopping the induction. Note to all the first time cookers like me, the powder color will only activate in water. So I'm finally done with these powder food colors. Good riddance. Remove them on this cotton pocha and then crush them like you're massaging. Like. हे बघा आम्हाला असं खरपूस भाजलेलंच आवडते सगळं. ये ऐसे सफेद सफेद नहीं अच्छा लगता. सफेदी सिर्फ कपड़ों पर ही अच्छी लगती है. It's not making a perfect bowl, but it is making something. So this is a old bowl, soap bowl stage. And what should I do about this patthar ke sanam? Patthar ke sanam. And we are finally done with our tricolor Til Ladoo. You can simply just mix it on no flame. Not even low flame, no flame. We have successfully finished our tricolor chikki. So I'm going to remove it. Please let me just give it a standing ovation. And how do we open a steam pot? Like this. Well, we generally add it in ice cold water. पण आता उन्हाळा संपला ना, मग फ्रीजर बंद नाही का? बर्फ कुठून आणायचा मग? And the egg whites get whipped very quickly, so please keep an eye on it, or 2 eyes in this case. So I'm going to bake it at 170 degree for. Remove the baking paper. It looks like this. Let me just preheat the oven first. And I'm going to loosen them from the walls. Make sure the lid is properly fixed. What do I do at this point? Air Muffin maneuver. And after all this conundrum and drama, if the sauce turns out right, the ending will be worth it. And a little tip for you guys, if you are thinking about adding lemon juice in any dish, then you must reduce half of the amount of salt. We are definitely seeing that tricolor, aren't we? And we have successfully finished the 5 tricolor dishes series. They said it couldn't be done, but I did it anyways. If you love these recipes, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to You, Me, and Cooking. See you next time. Well, I have made the Republic Day series. Now, what should I do next? I'm going to be Pinkity Poo. Spoiler alert.